This is Embassy Suite. Say hi, GB.
Hi.
Papa. 30.
Ready?
Hi. And TGI Friday. It's there.
Let's go.
This is our hotel. Comfort Inn. Hilton. And the casino. This is the Embassy Hotel. Embassy Suite Hotel by Hilton. Ang The Ox Hotel gali dyan. Hi, Niagara Falls. Here we are. Jeep. Boys, come on. GB.
Welcome to Niagara! Gala-gala muna sila, JB at 30. So, enjoy muna. Dahil pupunta sila sa Niagara Falls.
Hi.
Hi.
Slowly lang ha. Uy, feeling ko mag...
Mama, is it a ship or...
Parang ito ang horseshoe. Gano'ng horseshoe falls.
Is it a ship or a watching it?
Viewing deck lang ha.
Yeah, are we going down now? Look. That's scary.
Not scary?
That was scary.
Ah, scary.
It's not scary.
I thought it was going to be scary.
Very brave.
Nice. You can stand here, 30.
What are you guys swimming in?
Obviously, not right next.
Okay, let's put them now. Bubbles.
Kung tulingan ba namin bayad ng car?
Canada side. Okay. Thanks.
Bago pumunta ng falls, picture-picture muna sa Falls Incline Railway. Tapos, laro muna sina JB at 30 ng bilog-bilog na yan. Pinapaikot nila. May sound pala siya. Kaso lang, delikado din pag natamaan. Si JB natamaan kasi sa sobrang ikot niya, bumalik yung
It's your turn, 30 to other side.
yung umiikot na yon. So, hindi naman siya umiyak kasi grown up na daw siya eh. So, okay lang.
30's turn. No, turn around. Wow, may sound, may music. Are you hit?
Yeah.
Yes. Diba pa naigong bata? Saan? Not working?
Siyempre, kanya-kanya na pwesto si JB at 30 sa teleskopyo. Tapos, hindi naman gumagana yung kay 30. So, lumipat naman siya doon kay JB. Kaso lang, parang hindi naman gumagana yung teleskopyo na yun. So, ewan ko lang ano bang nakita mo, JB at 3rd. Nakita niyo ba kalawak ang falls?
These are not working.
At saka feel ni JB yung sa teleskopyo
To the falls attraction. To the falls and attraction.
Mama, you should go there.
Yeah.
Mama, I think we're going there.
Casino.
We're not going to the falls, Mama.
Yeah!
At dito yung lock bridge kung gusto mong maglagay ng padlock at saka susi, bibili ka pa doon sa shop. So, ano, pictorial na lang.
American side of the falls. American territory, may flag na eh. US.
Maganda ba at nakaka-relax ba magtambay dyan, 3D JB? Ano, bawal lumangoy dyan. Baka gusto nyong lumangoy ha. Picture-picture lang muna kayo. Medyo malamig. So, minsan yung picture nila, yung ano, natakpan naman yung kanilang ano, mukha sa bonnet nila. Minyo muna yung walis ting-ting 3D at JB. Uwi na kayo ng Pinas para libre pa masahin nyo. Okay, bye!